Okay, so we're given some diagrams to help us here, and what it wants us to do, if we just look at the question, it says describe the differences between ionic and a covalent bond. So in the ionic bond, you can see here that I'm going to make some notes that they have formed ions because they are charged particles, and because of this, you can see that this electron is different. This has come from the sodium and it's gone to the chlorine to give chlorine a full absolute energy level. So the other thing we can talk about here is that there is a transfer of electrons. In this one, this is the covalent bond. You can see here that this is my electron from my hydrogen and this is my electron from my chlorine. And in this example, they are sharing. So that's the key here. They are sharing the electrons. And how many electrons are being shared? There are two. So it's a pair of electrons. So that's all it wants you to do in your response. So it says describe the differences between these. So I would say in the ionic bond, there is a transfer of electrons between the atoms. In a covalent bond, the atoms share a pair of electrons. And I would also add in the ionic bond, ions are formed, and I would say they have opposite charges which attract each other. They have opposite charges which attract each other, and that's what makes the bond.